I am World 13 on Go Animate in real life game. I will take lifts without getting stuck or falling out of the building.
Bryan, you have to take a shower.
But Dad, it's Friday. I just take a clean as a whistle shower yesterday.
You're going to take a shower and that's final.
First, I will take my clothes off. Second, I will go in the shower. Now I will turn off the water. What? The water is still running. Oh no. I broke the shower head.
Bryan, get to the ground floor right now. Bryan, explain what happened.
Explain what?
Oh my God, Kenny Clark, come here quickly.
What is it, Diesel?
Bryan was taking a shower, then he broke it and the water is leaking from the ceiling.
Oh my God, Bryan. How could you such a thing? That's it. You're grounded for 1237890 1237890 1237890 1237790 years. Go to bed right now.